Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna make a real quick video, real quick, on replacing the fuel pressure regulator on my 2003 Hummer H2 with the 6.0 engine. What makes this a little bit different than the standard is it also has the magna charger, supercharger on it. So looked all over YouTube and couldn't find a single video addressing how to do the fuel pressure regulator on this engine, since it's a totally different setup. Once it has the supercharger intake on it, it has this housing right here for the fuel pressure regulator. And I was thinking, how in the world do we get that off? Because if you look down in there, right in here, I could see these bolts. So I thought maybe you try to get a socket in there, 10mm socket, get those out, and you can see it has the high pressure fuel lines on the backside here. And it was just really confusing what I was going to do. There's a lot of harnesses that have to come undone. As you can see, I already unplugged here for that one, and a few other ones around the way that ultimately I didn't need to do any of that. And let me back up a little bit. The reason I knew the fuel pressure regulator needed to be changed out is because I was having very long, hard starts. So doing some research online, what I come to find out is a simple check was to pull the vacuum line off here, and if you had fuel in the vacuum line or coming out of here, that's how you knew that there was a problem between the two. So it's exactly what I did. I pulled the vacuum line off. There was absolutely fuel that dripped out of the vacuum line, and there's no reason for there to be fuel past the diaphragm. The old regulator right here, I took it out, and it had some obvious problems. As you can see on the top O-ring there, it was flattened out. I don't know if that something that happened during the install of the original one, and just kind of happened there. The screen itself was okay. I didn't see a whole lot of problems with it. It was dirty. It looked to be deformed a little bit as well. So I don't know what all happened, but ordered another AC Delco OEM one there, and it went in. It was a little difficult to get it in, but let me rewind a little bit to get it out. You don't have to take off any of that. All I did was grab a pair of snap ring pliers here, and right on the inside there is a snap ring. So I was able to get the snap ring pliers in here, pull the snap ring out, put a screwdriver on the back side of this arm here, and just kind of lose a little bit of force and pry it around it, pop right out. Now to get the new one in, you definitely want to make sure you put some fuel on the O-rings to go in. Mine didn't want to go in so easy, so I have a pair of these vice grips here, and essentially all I did is I put the front end on the housing here, the back end on this, squeezed a little bit, and it popped right in. No big deal. Put the snap ring back in, and that's it, guys. So there was no video, now there is one, replacing the fuel pressure regulator on the H2 Hummer 6.0 engine if you have the supercharger and a switch where it's at. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out.